Hello dear student, now let us see the topic area of combination of a plane figure. In this topic let us discuss some problem. In that first one, the racing track whose left and right ends are semicircle. The figure is given here. This is one racing track. Here left and right sides are a semicircle. The distance between two inner parallel line, here these two are inner parallel line. The distance between these two inner parallel line is 60 meter and they are each 106 meter long. The length of this track, this parallel line is 106 meter and distance between the inner track is 60 meter. If the track is 10 meter wide, 10 meter wide means this is a track, here this is a track, the wide is width, the width is 10 meter and distance between the inner parallel line is 60 meter and the length is 106 meter. This is a given. This is one track with the ending, right and left ends are a semicircle. You have to find the distance around the track along its inner edge. We have to find the distance of a interior this line. We have to find the distance of this inner track along its inner edge. Second one is the area of the track and also we have to find the area of the track. Now let us see what are given. Width of the track is given 10 meter and distance between the inner parallel line is 60 meter. Inner parallel line means ED and FC. The distance between FC and ED is equal to 60 meter and also it is given that AB, DC, EF, HG, this is the length of the parallel lines that is given, that is 106 meter. Next, a radius of the outer semicircle. We know that the radius is equal to diameter by 2, correct? But here radius of outer semicircle radius we have to find. This is 60, here width is 10, here width is 10, total 60 plus 10 plus 10 is 80. This is the diameter, the whole diameter is 80, so radius is 80 by 2, that is equal to 40 meter. Next is radius of inner semicircle. Radius of inner semicircle is equal to diameter by 2. Here diameter, inner semicircle diameter is 60, so 60 by 2, that is equal to 30 meter. Next, first question, the distance around the track along its inner edge. We have to find the distance. For the distance we have to take an EF plus DC plus 2 times of circumference of inner semicircle. Here because the two semicircles are there, we have to find the distance or for a circle. Distance means it is circumference of a semicircle. The circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. These two are a semicircle, therefore divided by 2. 2 into 2 getting cancelled. Therefore circumference of the inner semicircle is pi r. But here two semicircles are present, therefore 2 times of pi r. Here CD is equal to 106, EF is equal to 106 plus 2 times pi r. Here r is equal to 30 meter because we are taking a inner edge. We are taking only inner edge. The radius is 30 meter. Substitute the value in this formula. We will get 106 plus 106 is 112 plus 2 times of pi value 22 by 7 into 30. After solving this, we will get 212 plus 1320 divided by 7. Here divided by 1, LCM is 7, so multiply 7 on both sides. We will get 212 into 7 plus 1320 divided by 7. It is equal to 1484 plus 1320 divided by 7, that is equal to 2804 divided by 7 meter. This is the distance of a inner edge. Next we have to find the area of a track. To find the area of a track we have to see area of ABCD plus area of EFGH. These two are a rectangle. In a track we see that here one rectangle, here one rectangle. This forms a semicircle, correct? The area of this track means the area of this rectangle plus area of this rectangle and area of these two semicircle. So area of ABCD plus area of EFGH plus 2 semicircles are there. Therefore 2 into area of outer semicircle minus area of inner semicircle. Area of outer semicircle minus area of inner semicircle means we will get only this much. So area of ABCD, this is the rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So AB into AD plus area of EFGH is EF into EH plus 2 times area of outer semicircle. Area of a circle is a pi r square, but here semicircle is there, so therefore area of a semicircle is a pi r square by 2. Here we are taking outer semicircle, therefore capital R, radius of a outer semicircle, minus area of a inner semicircle is pi r square by 2. So this is AB is 106, AD is 10 plus EF is 106, EH is 10 plus here 2 is common, in both side 2 is common, take 2 outside, will 2 getting cancelled, again pi is common, pi into r square left minus small r square. So 1060 plus 1060 plus pi value is 22 by 7, r value is 40 square minus 30 square. So adding these two will get 2120 plus 22 by 7 into 40 square is 1600 minus 30 square is 900. 1600 minus 900 is 700. 7 on the 700 22 into 100 is 2200. So 2120 plus 2200, that is equal to 4320 meter square. This is the area of a track in the given figure. Now come to the second problem. AB and CD are the diameter. In this picture, AB and CD are the diameter of the circle with the center O. Perpendicular to each other, they are perpendicular to each other means this angle is 90 degree. And OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. Here OD is the diameter of the smaller circle and OD is also radius of this whole circle. Understood? AB DC is the diameter, so OD is the radius of this whole circle and OD is the diameter of this small circle. What is given? OA is given. OA is equal to 7 centimeter is given. Find the area of a shaded region. Shaded regions are this smaller circle and this much. This is the area. We have to find the area of this shaded region. What is given? Radius of the longer circle R is given, that is 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter means this is also 7 centimeter, this is also 7 centimeter, this is also 7 centimeter. That means the diameter of this small circle is 7 centimeter. Diameter is 7 centimeter means radius of this small circle is 7 by 2. Understood? This diameter is 7 centimeter, then radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Now let us see, we have to find area of this smaller circle. Area of smaller circle is equal to pi into r square. The area is equal to pi r square, 22 by 7, r square, r value is 7 by 2, 7 by 2 square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, 7 getting cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 11s are 11, 7s are 77 divided by 2. This is the area of this smaller circle. Now let us see area of this bigger semicircle. This is a bigger circle. This is a semicircle of this bigger circle. We have to find area of this portion. Area of a bigger semicircle is equal to area of a circle is pi r square. Semicircle is half into pi r square. So half into pi r square, that is equal to pi value 22 by 7 into r value is 7. 7 into 7 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 11s are 7, 7 getting cancelled. So 11 7s are 77. This is the area of a bigger semicircle. This much area find out. We have to find this only shaded region. For that we have to find the area of this triangle. Area of semicircle portion we already found, and area of triangle. If we find the area of this triangle, then we will get the value of area of this two shaded region. For that we have to find the area of this triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Here base is equal to 7 plus 7 14. Height is 7 centimeter. So half into 14 into 7, that is equal to 2 1s are 2, 7s are 7 7s are 49. This is the area of triangle ABC. Now area of a shaded segment. Area of a shaded segment means in this half semicircle, this much is a shaded portion. Area of this shaded portion is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle. This is a whole semicircle. This is whole semicircle. If we subtract this triangle, we will get the shaded portion. Therefore, area of a bigger semicircle minus area of triangle, that is equal to 77 minus 49, that is equal to 28 centimeter square. This is the area of this shaded portion. But what we have to find in this whole figure, we have to find the area of shaded portion. What are the shaded portion? In this is a shaded portion, and also here one small circle is there. To find the total area of shaded region, we have to sum up these things. So area of a shaded region is equal to area of a smaller circle plus area of this segment, that is equal to 77 by 2 plus 28. Here one is the denominator, so multiply by 2, 77 plus 28 into 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 77 plus 28 2 is 56 divided by 2, that is equal to 133 divided by 2. Next problem, OECD. OECD is a quadrant. We know quadrant, this is a first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, this is one circle. If you divide circle into 4 parts, this is first, second, third, fourth. This is one quadrant of a circle with a center O. This is the center. This is, we are taking here only this portion. This is called as a quadrant with a radius 3.5 centimeter. That is a BO is equal to 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 OA is equal to 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equal to 2 centimeter, find the area of the quadrant. We have to find the area of the quadrant OACB. We have to find this whole area, and also we have to find the shaded region area. What are given here? O is equal to 90 degree, because if you circle the diagonals of the circle perpendicular to each other, then it makes a quadrant. Therefore, angle makes here is a 90 degree, and radius R is equal to 3.5 and OD is given 2 centimeter. Let us see area of a quadrant. Area of a quadrant formula is this whole circle. What is the angle? 360 degree. Out of 360 degree, we are taking only 90 degree. This much we are taking. Therefore, out of 360 degree, theta into area of the circle is a pi r square. So theta is here 90 degree. 90 divided by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value is 3.5 into 3.5. 7 1 is 7 0.5 is 3.5. Here getting cancelled. 9 1 is 9 4 is 4 1 2 2 is 4 2 5.5 is. So answer is 5.5 into 3.5 into 0.5, that is equal to 9.625. This is the area of this quadrant. Now let us see the area of the triangle BOD. Why we are finding this area? Because we have to find the area of this shaded region. This whole region area we know. If we subtract the area of this quadrant minus this triangle, we will get the area of this shaded portion. Therefore, area of triangle OBD is equal to half into B into H, that is equal to half into B value, breadth is OB into height is OD, that is equal to half into 3.5 into 2, that is equal to 3.5 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of a quadrant minus area of this triangle BOBD, that is equal to 9.625 minus 3.5, that is equal to 6.125. This is the area of the shaded region BDAC. Now come to next problem. Find the area of the shaded region where ABCD is a square. Here it is given that ABCD is a square of a side 14 centimeter. Its side is a 14 centimeter. Here also 14 centimeter. We have to find the area of the shaded region. That means except this circle, we have to find the area. Now first find the area of this square. Area of the square is equal to side into side, that is equal to 14 into 14, that is equal to 196. See here, this is 14 means if you draw one straight line here, this is also 14. Correct? These circles are equal in line, therefore this is 14 means 7 into this is also 7. So diameter of each circle is, we will get 7 and 7. Diameter is 7. Here also diameter 7. Diameter is 7 means their radius is diameter by 2, that is equal to 7 by 2. So here now we find the area of each circle. Area of each circle is equal to pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 7 getting cancelled. 2 1s are 2 11s are. So therefore area of each circle is 77 by 2. But here 4 circles are there. Therefore area of a 4 circle is equal to 4 into area of each circle, that is 77 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. 77 into 2 is equal to 154. This is a square. We get the area of a square, and also we know the area of each circle, or a 4 circle area we know. If we subtract the area of a square minus area of this 4 circle, we will get the area of the shaded portion. Therefore area of shaded region is equal to area of a square minus area of a 4 circle, that is equal to 196 minus 154, that is equal to 42 centimeter square. 42 centimeter square is the area of a shaded portion. Now the next problem, find the area of a shaded region. Here area of a shaded region, if radii of a 2 concentric circle means a circle with the one center with the different radius are called as concentric circle with the radius O are 7 cm and 14 cm. In this OD is 7 cm, OC is 14 cm respectively, and AOC is equal to 40 degree. The angle of this segment is given, that is a 40 degree. Radius R1 is equal to 7 cm, R2 is equal to 14 cm, and also it is given AOC is equal to 40 degree. We have to find area of this sector. This is similar to quadrant. This whole circle is given. Out of 360 degree we are taking only 40. Understood? Out of 360 degree we are taking only 40 of this circle. Therefore area of a sector AOC is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. AOC, here OC is equal to 14, so R is equal to 14, that is a 40 degree divided by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 1s are 7 2s are. Here also getting cancelled, 9s are. So 22 into 2 into 14 divided by 9. This is the area of this sector AOC. Now we have to find the area of BOD. BOD is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, that is equal to 40 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. After cancellation we will get 22 into 7 divided by 9. We get the area of AOC and BOD. AOC means this much, BOD means this much. If we subtract area of AOC and BOD, we will get this region. Therefore area of a shaded region is equal to area of the sector AOC minus area of the sector BOD, that is equal to 22 into 14 into 2 divided by 9 minus 22 into 7 divided by 9. 9 is the LCM here, and also 22 is common. 22 by 9 into 14 into 2 minus 7. So 22 by 9 into 28 minus 7. 22 by 9, 28 minus 7 is 21. 3 is a 9, 3 7s are 21. So 22 into 7 is 154 divided by 3 centimeter square is the area of the given shaded region. Now come to next problem. In the figure ABCD, here ABCD is a square of a side 14 centimeter. Side is given 14 centimeter with the center ABCD. For 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally to of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of shaded region. What is given here? One circle is touches another 2 circle respectively, and this is a square with each side is given, that is a 14 centimeter. First let us see what is the area of this circle. Here side is 14 centimeter, therefore area of the circle is equal to 14 into 14, that is equal to 196 centimeter. See this picture, this hole is 14 centimeter, this is a then the radius is 14 by 2. 14 by 2 means 7 and 7. Therefore radius of each circle is 7, the radius of each circle is 7, then the area of a fourth sector is equal to, here 4 sectors will form, this is 90 degree because this is a square having each angle is 90 degree. This is one sector, this is one sector, this is one sector, this is one sector, and each angle forming is 90 degree. So area of each sector, that is 4 sector, is equal to 4 into theta divided by 360 into pi r square. 4 into theta is 90 degree divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square is 7 into 7. 7 getting cancelled. After simplification we will get 22 into 7, that is equal to 154. This is the area of each sector. See here, we already found the area of this square. Area of this square over area of each this 4 sector also over. Now we have to find area of this shaded region. So area of this shaded region is equal to area of a square minus area of these sectors, that is equal to 196 minus 154, that is equal to 42 centimeter square. This is the area of a given shaded region.